Rocks are everywhere. We see them in mountains, valleys, and deserts. We use them to build houses and roads. Rocks tell the story of Earth's long history. They are clues to how our planet formed and changed over billions of years. To understand these stories, we must learn about the different types of rocks. There are three main types of rocks: igneous, sedimentary, and metamorphic. Each type forms in a unique way. Their formation depends on the forces at work within the Earth and on its surface. The study of rocks is fascinating. It's like piecing together a giant puzzle. Each rock holds a clue to a different part of Earth's history. By understanding the different types of rocks, we can begin to understand the history of our planet. Igneous rocks form from fire. Deep within the Earth, temperatures are incredibly hot. This heat melts rock into a molten liquid called magma. When magma cools and solidifies, it forms igneous rocks. There are two main types of igneous rocks: intrusive and extrusive. Intrusive igneous rocks form when magma cools slowly beneath the Earth's surface. This slow cooling allows large crystals to grow, giving the rock a coarse-grained texture. Granite is a common example of an intrusive igneous rock. Extrusive igneous rocks form when lava erupts onto the Earth's surface. The lava cools quickly in the open air or water, preventing large crystals from forming. This results in a fine-grained or even glassy texture. Basalt, found on the ocean floor, and obsidian, a dark glassy rock, are examples of extrusive igneous rocks. Sedimentary rocks are made up of layers. Imagine a river carrying sand and mud downstream. Over time, these particles settle at the bottom of a lake or ocean. These particles are called sediment. As more sediment accumulates, it buries the older layers. The weight of the layers above compacts the sediment. Water is squeezed out. Dissolved minerals in the water crystallize and cement the particles together, forming solid rock. This process is called lithification. Sandstone is a common sedimentary rock that forms from sand-sized particles. Limestone often forms from the accumulation of shells and skeletons of marine organisms. Coal is another sedimentary rock, formed from the remains of ancient plants. Section 4. Metamorphic rocks. Change under pressure. Metamorphic rocks are rocks that have changed. They start as igneous, sedimentary, or even other metamorphic rocks. But heat and pressure deep within the Earth transform them. Imagine burying a rock deep underground. The weight of the rocks above creates immense pressure. The temperature rises as we go deeper into the Earth. This heat and pressure can cause the minerals in the rock to rearrange themselves. They may even form new minerals. Schist is a metamorphic rock with a layered or banded appearance known as foliation, caused by the alignment of minerals under pressure. Marble is another metamorphic rock formed from the metamorphism of limestone. The heat and pressure recrystallize the calcite in the limestone, giving marble its characteristic appearance and properties. Section 5. The rock cycle, a never-ending story. The rock cycle is a continuous process. It describes how rocks transform from one type to another over millions of years. It's like a giant recycling system for rocks. Igneous rocks, formed from cooled magma or lava, can be broken down by weathering and erosion. Wind, rain, and ice wear away at the rock, creating sediment. This sediment can be transported by rivers, glaciers, or wind and eventually deposited in lakes or oceans. Over time, this sediment can be buried and lithified to form sedimentary rocks. If sedimentary rocks are buried even deeper, they can be subjected to heat and pressure, transforming them into metamorphic rocks. Metamorphic rocks can even melt, becoming magma that eventually cools to form new igneous rocks, starting the cycle anew. Section 6. Conclusion. Rocks as storytellers. Rocks are much more than just solid objects beneath our feet. They are storytellers. Each rock holds clues to its own unique history and to the history of our planet. By understanding the three main types of rocks, igneous, sedimentary, and metamorphic, and the rock cycle that connects them, we can begin to decipher these stories. We can learn about ancient environments, the forces that shaped our planet, and the incredible transformations that rocks undergo over millions of years. So the next time you pick up a rock, take a closer look. You might be holding a piece of Earth's history in your hand.